This is The Day in the key of C is the one I have for you today. It's just a really simple way to play this one. This is one I know from my childhood. Maybe this brings back some good memories for you too. Make sure to stop on the description below, and I do have the chord sheet that you can print out and follow along with me. Okay, so in the key of C, we just have some simple chords, C, F, G. All right, so two black notes right here is going to be finding our C note, C, E, G. Okay, and then G note, G chord, and then F. Okay, so you kind of find those group of 3 black notes. Here's that F, A, C, and G, B, D. Every other note makes up that chord. Okay, so that's kind of simplifies it. All right, so left hand is going to be playing just single notes. So we're going to play C note with our C chord, F to F, and G to G. Okay, the rhythm that we can do to bring the 2 hands together is just a simple marching rhythm. Together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Practice that on the F chord and the G chord. Okay, so I'm going to sing through so you can kind of see how it sounds. I'm going to try to play it slower than you typically would on this one. This is kind of a more fast upbeat one, the way I played it growing up, sang it growing up. All right, here we go. This is the day, this is the day that the Lord hath made, that the Lord hath made. We will rejoice and be glad in it, and be glad in it. Okay, so, I'm writing the chord above the word in which the chord changes, okay? And then the F chord there, this is the day. This is the day that the C chord, Lord hath made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. This is the day that the Lord hath made. Okay, so in the beginning, we just kind of keep vamping on this C, or you could pick up the rhythm and kind of go, let's see, da, 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 da. Maybe not. I don't know. I was trying to figure out a way to spice it up a little bit. Da, 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 da. You could kind of go to that rhythm. C, this is the day that the G, Lord hath made, that the Lord hath made. We will rejoice and be, F chord, glad in C, be glad in it. Okay, that's the kind of one that's just a little bit quicker. Glad in it and be glad in it. Okay, this is the day that the C, Lord hath made. F, rejoice and be glad in it. And then C, this is the day. This is the day that the Lord, G, hath made. All right, this one's pretty simple. You can go back to the beginning if you need a little help. I'm going to play it beginning to end. Have a lot of fun. Here we go. And this is the day that the Lord hath made, that the Lord hath made. We will rejoice and be glad in it, and be glad in it. This is the day that the Lord hath made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. This is the day, this is